Shout out Crazy Customs. We out here on our 200cc dirt bike build. We got all parts about put it together. Frame is motor mount is broke, so that gotta be cut up. Gotta cut another piece off to get it square, so we can go take it to the shop, get it welded. So we're gonna get that done. We're gonna get this engine taken off today, so we can do new piston rings, head. The exhaust stud is broke. You just throw that head away. I don't got time, no use for it. Yeah, that side is broke. This side is good. Got the rod going through it. So we can cut that out. We put a new rod in there too, because there should be some spacers in there. So we put some new spacers in there. Go through the wire harness on a lot of this stuff, like stator and stuff like that. We're not gonna be using electric start. We're straight kick start. That's a lot of problems with the electric starter. So we're gonna bypass, take everything off. A lot of this vacuum hoses, stuff like that. We're gonna bypass that, get a little bit more power out of it. We got another exhaust tips also, so we're gonna cut that other regular exhaust tip off, change it out. New carbon fiber plastics that we showed y'all last video. New fuel line, new piston rings. Plastics look good. New kickstart, the other one. The gaskets, cylinder gaskets, and head gasket. New head itself. That's the only thing we was waiting on. But we're gonna get this engine taken off today, get it rebuilt. And we're gonna go ahead and start tearing everything down so we can get this motor mount stuff issue fixed. That's the only concern right now. So we have to get that cut back, cleaned up, put a new plate in there, and put a spacer in between that motor mount, because we don't want that side to crack too. So we can get that done. Little project for today. Got parts coming in tomorrow for customer bikes. Should have this one done tomorrow. Take a little while. But shout out Crazy Customs.